vegetable garden. Guys, we're gonna make a garden plant. Stop. See?
So, Kyrie, you're gonna make your garden. What are you gonna put in your garden?
Some vegetables.
You're gonna make a vegetable garden. And the stuff that we're gonna have in this garden, we're gonna use it to cook when it grows.
Yeah.
So guess what we're gonna have in this vegetable garden? Tell us what we're gonna have. What kind of plant is that? It looks like pepper, so we're gonna have pepper. And what else do you think we're gonna have in the vegetable garden?
That
We can have some onions.
onions,
We've got some basils.
basil.
We've got. Tell me which one this is. Look at it. Look at it.
We got that one.
Yeah, look at the picture. What kind of vegetable is that?
Oh, tomato.
So we're gonna have tomatoes as well.
This another tomatoes.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, what did that one is, guys?
That's some onions right there.
Onions.
Yep.
That one is onion.
And we got some thyme
Thyme.
that we're gonna use to cook.
Mhm.
We got some more peppers,
Pepper.
some more tomatoes,
Some more tomato.
and last but not least, can you guess which one this is? Guess which one this is.
Huh? Let me see on it. Oh, let me see on it. Oh, cabbage.
Yes, it is. It is some cabbage. We're gonna have some cabbage as well. All right, so we got our garden soil.
Guys, Daddy make.
We got our garden
Daddy,
soil.
you make your own garden.
Okay, so this is gonna be your garden.
Yep.
So you don't want me to help you make your garden?
Yeah, you can help me make the garden.
All right, so let's go get the garden tools. You got your gloves on?
Yep.
All right, so we're doing safety first. So we got your gloves.
Gloves.
Let's go get our garden tools.
Yep.
All right. All right, so we've got our garden tools, Kyrie. We need to, first of all, what's the first thing we're gonna do?
Dig.
We're gonna dig. We're gonna make some holes
Yeah. I want to
for the
make
plants. All right, so we're gonna put one hole right there
Let me.
for one plant. You can go ahead. You know how to do it?
Yeah.
You gotta get low like me now. Get low like me. Good. I should have gotten some garden pads so you could wide enough and deep enough for the plant.
Yep.
All right, go get the first plant. We're putting in the tomato plant first. Go get it.
The show to you guys.
You could put one right next to it, right there.
Right there.
Yep, you could dig a hole.
Making the big hole. This one's for kids, though. Yep.
All right, good job. Remember, we're not covering them up yet
No.
because we gotta put some garden soil in it.
Yep.
All right, make one more hole right here.
Right here.
Yeah.
Now let's take another one.
All right, you wanna dig another hole?
Yeah.
All right.
It's not gonna fit right here.
Yes, it will. Just keep digging, it will fit. I'll make my hole right here while you make yours over there.
Yeah.
All right, I think that hole might be perfect.
Yeah.
See if it fits. See if your plant fits.
Okay.
Does it fit?
Yep.
All right, perfect.
Let's dig another hole.
All right, let's dig another hole. We're gonna dig all the holes
Yep.
and then we plant. Let's dig a hole right where you're standing. Let's dig a hole right here.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
Let me dig.
Yep, you dig.
You're gonna dig your own one.
All right, be careful now.
It's not gonna fit.
You gotta keep digging.
It's not gonna fit, Daddy.
Put it in that hole. Alright.
That one.
Does it fit?
Yep. It's
Alright. Alright, great job. So we got all our plants. We got holes for all of the plants.
Yep.
Alright, let's get our garden soil.
Yep.
We're gonna use this to bury our plants. Just open this bag for you.
This is
See that?
good.
It's good for growing vegetables
Yep.
and herbs. So let's put some in the hole first. I mean, use your shovel to put some in the hole. Take some out. Put some in the hole. Go ahead, throw it in there. Some more.
Oh!
That's okay. All right, good job.
Wow, it's like a castle.
Hold it. You're gonna put it in the hole, but you gotta be careful not to break it. Put your hand under it. Good job. Go ahead and gently put it in the hole. All right, great job.
I almost break it.
All right, use the soil that's in the bag. Good job. Keep going.
Oh.
All right, keep going.
Watch out. I think that's enough.
No, you need a lot more. You need to fill all the hole with that soil.
Garden. We're gonna make a garden. We're gonna make a garden. I think that's a couple.
Good job. All right, good job. That should be enough.
Yep.
You just need to press it down a little bit.
Oh.
Down. All right, great job.
That one's the way. Now put it right here. I almost broke it.
All right, good job.
What I did today?
All right, press it down with your fingers. All right, good job. Good job. Let's do another one.
Yep. We're gonna put it right there. It's like smell good or something.
Yeah, that's rosemary. Smells good. Cover it up.
Okay.
Yep, we need a lot more. Good job.
Now press it down. Like that with the thing. I think that's enough.
You think that's enough?
Yeah.
Which plant is that?
Let me see on it.
I think that's the...
Orange. Orange. It's orange. Guys, what's next? Break the plants. Let's break the plants, guys. With the hole.
Alright, so you need to get some water for your plants. Turn it on. You got it?
Let me got it. I got it. It's Halloween tea. It's Halloween tea.
Your Halloween bucket. Alright, go ahead. Pour it on the plants.
Let's put. About this one.
Good job. Alright, what are you gonna do next?
Where's the plants?
Alright, come on.
Okay.
So it's like a mist, yep. Alright, hold it. You got it?
Yes.
Alright, we don't want it too much on the plants now.
There.
Mist in the plants.
vegetable garden. Bye, guys. Thank you for watching.
Guys, Kyrie's vegetable garden. How often are you gonna water your vegetable garden?
20 seconds.
Every 20 seconds on one plant. 20 seconds, that's fine. But you gotta do it every
day.
You gotta do it every day. What else you gotta do every day?
Feed hammer and nail.
Yeah, you gotta feed your turtle every day, and you gotta water your vegetable garden every day.
Thanks for watching, guys.